where everyday things come to life.
Hey, don't rush past me. Every single day, you touch me without thinking. But I guard your safety, your privacy, and your peace. Before you turn me again, let me tell you my story. I didn't always look this shiny. I began as raw metal, hidden, rough, and lifeless. No doors, no homes, just potential. Then came the heat. Fire shaped me, pressure tested me. It wasn't gentle, but it made me strong. Machines carved me with perfect accuracy. Every curve mattered. Every millimeter had a purpose. They polished me until I shined. Suddenly, I wasn't just strong. I looked elegant. Inside me, they built my brain. Springs, pins, and secrets. This is where trust lives. They twisted me, pulled me, locked and unlocked me again and again. I never failed. Then one day, I met my door. Click. I finally knew my place. I open mornings, I close nights. I hear laughter, silence, and secrets. When you lock me, I stand watch, quiet, strong, reliable. I may be small, but I protect what matters most. Your home, your space, your world.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next diary.